Hello, welcome to another Con Evans product video. Today we're going to show you a new Sound Oasis product. It's a tinnitus relaxer. It's a product that just basically plays sounds to distract you from your tinnitus. Proper name is a BST-400, but let's look and see what's inside the box. Here comes a nice little Sound Oasis box, but you're not going to use the box, are you? This is the product. It comes with that and a USB charge lead. Now, if we talk you around the product, to charge the product, you will simply plug it into the back. It's a standard micro charge lead, so you can almost certainly have got a mobile phone charger. It does not come with a UK power supply. To be honest, the chances are you've probably already got a USB power supply around the house, but when you buy the product, if you need to buy a USB power supply, we can offer you to supply you one of those as well. So if we walk you around the product, it's a loudspeaker, it's in stereo, there is an indicator light, the buttons along the top, that's the mode, volume, minus and plus. That allows you to change the type of sound, and that's the play stop button. On the back, we have a slot for a USB, for a micro card. That's the card that has the tinnitus sounds on it. We have a socket which allows you to connect into a set of headphones or pillow speakers. The micro USB charge socket, and that's a little small button for turning it on and off. In the first case, let's demonstrate some of these sounds to you. So I'm going to turn it on, and hopefully we'll see that it's gone. The first stage it goes into pairing mode, which has got the blue light. Now it's gone green and it's playing one of the tinnitus sounds. This particular product has 10 playing sounds. It has ocean surf, thunder and rain, steady rain, white noise, Rocky Mountain stream, gentle surf, summer night, brown noise, woodlands and heartbeat. Let's play you some of the sounds. I think this will be the thunder and rain. Steady rain. White noise. This is the Rocky Mountain stream. It's quite soothing. Gentle surf. Summer night. Could be Caribbean night. This is brown noise. Has a lower frequency composition than white noise. This is woodlands. Just so you can hear the noise. It's quite a gentle sound. And last but not least, the dark side of the moon. Heartbeat. Now that's the end of the demonstration of the product that it's mainly sold for, which is a tinnitus relaxer to play your sounds. However, it also has another mode that you can replay music. Now my assistant over there is going to turn on a Bluetooth link, and that we're going to pair it. So I'm going to go into Bluetooth. I've now got a flashing blue light, and it's just paired. My young Kim's going to play some music, and you can turn the volume up a bit. It's a really nice sound. Now, I'll be honest, it's not as good quality as a Bose, but it is less than half the price. It's a really nice product. So if you're looking for a product for a tinnitus relaxer, this is it. If you're looking for a product to take on holiday, camping, or anywhere to play music, I have to say, forget the tinnitus side, buy this. It's worth buying it just purely as a product to play music. So to play us out, Kim.